Hi there! Check out the Duwee 12 by 30-inch tabletop ironing board with a sturdy steel frame for lasting durability. It features thick felt padding and a heat-resistant cover for smooth, efficient ironing every time. The mesh top design helps dissipate heat quickly, keeping your clothes safe. Lightweight and compact, this board is perfect for small spaces like dorms or apartments. It includes non-slip feet with adjustable height to keep it steady while you work. Plus, the anti-rust coating ensures it stays in great condition over time. Enjoy a reliable, space-saving ironing solution with the Duwee tabletop board. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.